www.gibsonTruckworld. Calm 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 Laramie Mega Cab 5.9L Cummins diesel riding on 4 brand new 295 Nittos, 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Adjustable pedals, dual power heated leather seating, 6-disc CD changer, wood grain interior trim, power sliding rear window, keyless entry, alarm, tonneau cover, line 10 bed liner, towing package, power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. Everything is rewarding when you're driving in a Cummins. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Honest,